What is vlogging? Someone tell me. I know what
Oh my
vlogging
God, okay.
is. Oh wait, video.
Video. It's video blogging. What are we eating today, Trace?
Bagels.
What type of bagels?
That looks really good.
The good type of bagel. Well, my first thought that I wasn't gonna eat anything when I came here,
Yeah?
but I was gonna get food for later.
Yeah?
Obviously that didn't happen.
It's fine.
But this is my signature.
What is it?
Whole wheat, everything bagel with avocado, cream cheese, and lettuce and tomato.
Love it. And life gives you lemon, you get a big truck. Same.
That's me. I'm a lemon in a big truck.
Oh shit. It's real chilly here. It's actually a beautiful day.
Yesterday it was 50 degrees and sunny.
We're all gonna die in other words.
And it's 25 degrees. Welcome to New York.
Welcome to New York. Ah! Ooh.
It feels like just shards of ice are like slicing your face.
Hey Devin, how's it going?
Horrible.
Hey Devin, how's it going?
It just like screams. So yeah, this is what we're doing. This is where we live. I almost fell again. This is where we live.
Yeah. Hi. I'm a penguin.
I'm gonna text Ruby.
Well, I don't think she's gonna want to come out here.
She actually texted me yesterday and asked if we should hang out, and I said I'll tell her tonight. So
You go, girl.
Did you get that?
Of course. I'll put music to it. I'll edit it and I'll put music to
Play
it.
bad and bougie when you edit it.
Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.
where?
We're frolicking.
Wait, where'd Tracy go? Tracy! Tracy, what are you doing?
I found art, guys. It's a new shop.
It's
Here at Pratt, we value our campus safety. So we have a heart that recently had FU written in it. I'm gonna keep it.
Wait, you gotta pose. You gotta pose with it.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
This is white stuff. Never seen it. Never seen it.
Oh my god, are you vlogging too?
Wait, take a picture of me like this and then put that. I'm like, just send it
I'm officially chilly. That makes sense.
Do it for the vlog.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Okay, bye. Bye.
Welcome to New York. Welcome to